Valentine's Day is coming, you guys, and I want to show you something very special that Jeulia is doing for Valentine's Day. Look at this gorgeous gift box. With the purchase of any of their bundles, you can get this special gift box for a limited time. I got the rose gold bundle, which came with this beautiful necklace, this ring, this bracelet, and these earrings. Let me show you guys a little bit closer. This bundle is so special. You get this beautiful gift bag. This box is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I opened this, I could not believe it. Now, I took everything obviously out of the jewelry box already, but it comes with this gorgeous jewelry box, and all of the pieces are individually wrapped in little baggies to keep them safe for transport. And you guys have to see this. This ring is absolutely stunning. And that's the pendant. And one of my tricks is I buy these magnetic clasps on Amazon. I need to get one that's rose gold now, but all of the pieces in this set are so stunning. This is the bracelet, and it's flexible, so it's easy to get on. I don't have the smallest wrists, but because it's so flexible, I'm able to get it on. And finally, the earrings. I mean, what better Valentine's gift? Just a couple of final notes. These gift boxes are only available while supplies last, and I can save you 20% off a purchase of a bundle through February 14th. Finally, I just want to say that they have a great return policy for their rings. If this little tag is still on your ring, you can exchange it for another size or return it, no problem at all. More details below.